Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency payments, a space that's constantly evolving and changing the way we transact. But have you ever stopped to think about the magic behind it all? How does that fancy crypto app on your phone actually connect to the vast blockchain network and make payments happen? Well, buckle up, because today we're cracking the code and exploring the concept of contract addresses, specifically focusing on MamoPay's address. Understanding contract addresses, the blockchain's post office box. Imagine a bustling city built entirely on digital transactions. This city is the blockchain, a decentralized network where all crypto transactions are recorded. Now, within this city, imagine specific locations where people, or in this case, computers, can interact with programs that control these transactions. These locations are like post office boxes, and the programs are the contracts that govern how things work. These post office boxes are what we call contract addresses. They're unique identifiers on the blockchain that point to specific smart contracts, self-executing programs that dictate how cryptocurrencies are transferred, stored, or interacted with. MamoPay, simplifying crypto payments. So, where does MamoPay come into play? MamoPay is a platform that aims to make crypto payments a seamless experience for businesses and individuals. They've likely developed a smart contract that facilitates these transactions. This contract resides on the blockchain and has its own unique contract address. Why knowing the contract address matters? Knowing MamoPay's contract address can be useful in a few ways. Verification: if you're directly interacting with MamoPay's services, like sending or receiving crypto payments through their platform, having the contract address allows you to verify that you're interacting with the legitimate MamoPay contract and not a fake one. Transparency: by looking up the contract address on a blockchain explorer, a tool that lets you view information on the blockchain, you can potentially see details about MamoPay's smart contract, such as its code and transaction history. This can offer some level of transparency into how MamoPay operates. Development: if you're a developer building something that integrates with MamoPay, you'll need the contract address to connect your application to their platform. Finding MamoPay's contract address. Disclaimer. Now, before we go hunting for MamoPay's contract address, a word of caution. It's crucial to obtain this information directly from a reliable source, like MamoPay's official website or social media channels. Never trust random addresses found online or from unverified sources. Scammers can create fake contracts that look legitimate, so be vigilant. The final word. While knowing MamoPay's contract address can be helpful in specific situations, it's not essential for everyday users of their platform. The platform itself handles the complexities of interacting with the contract behind the scenes. However, understanding the concept of contract addresses gives you a deeper appreciation for how crypto payments function on the blockchain. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and crypto savvy.